Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. I did tacos twice last week. So this week, I'm skipping tacos. Last night, I prepared a green bean and pork stir fry. It was very good. Caught the beans still pretty decently fresh. Doctored the sauce a little bit and actually added, it was pork tenderloin and bacon. So yes, double pork. And I also served that over baked brown rice. It's got a great nutty flavor and just get that nice little tooth on it. Yum, very good. Tonight, I'm doing hot and sour soup. One of Robin's favorites. Let's get to it. There's some hardware. One's for frying, one's for actual soup itself. 2 containers of stock, baby bella mushrooms, white mushrooms, tofu, some ginger, some bamboo shoots, an egg, some green onion, fresh ground black pepper, some garlic, and then we get into the fish sauce, the seasoned rice vinegar, a little bit of sesame oil, low sodium soy sauce, and some sriracha. And the frying is for the wonton wrappers. So we have those for crispy. A lot of ingredients for one soup. But the sauces that are involved here are used in sparing amounts, like a teaspoon here, teaspoon there, a tablespoon. I mean, other than the soy sauce. Yes, there's about a half a cup, I believe. I'd have to double check the recipe. So, it's sunny outside, as you can see over my shoulder. Look at nice glow. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.